Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language of your CapCut PC app. So just go to menu here, go to settings, and go to languages, which is the fourth option. I'll select Bahasa Indonesia because that's the only other language I know. Press save and then select restart, and it's just going to restart your app. And after it's restarted, it's just going to change the language. And that's pretty much how you can change your language on the CapCut PC app. It's taking a while to load, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it worked out for you. Goodbye.